I hope you enjoyed the last video where we were building our products page, where we were able to display our products. We were able to go to products detail page. We were able to do some cool stuff there, like using a map, using filter, and being able to get fetch data from an API. We were using the standard fetch function, and also you manage to understand how to display them products on the page, as well as getting data from the API. So this is how it looked like. Sorry. So this is how it looks like. It looked like in the last video. We were able to get the products. You can see here, and then you are able to view the products. So if you click on buy, we navigate this using navlink. So you learned a lot about navlink. You also learned how to display this with bootstrap. So the next step now is we are going now to be building our cart. So if you had this to cart, if you go to cart, you find there's nothing there. So let's start building the cart now. So let's go back to our code. Sorry. So let's now start in. Let's write something here. So in the cart we have two files that we are going to be doing. The cart product. Now the product, now after we pull the product to the cart, are we going to be displaying it? So basically we're going to be building how it will be looking like here, and then we pull it to our function now. So the products from here, everything that comes from the cart product .jsx will go to cart.jsx. So let's now start building it. So the reason why you have this is just imports. Then you can see we have now Redux. As I said before, after you click add to cart, you dispatch it to the store, and then now we pull it here. So in the store, let me just show you how the store looks like. In the store action, you'll find we have add item, and then we have remove item, and then we have a delete item, and then we'll also have a reducer here, which is now handling that. So we'll do this in a separate video where you'll be able to understand each and everything that is needed there. So let's go on to cart products.jsx. So we'll start with the simple thing, the imports. So the imports will be React and also add cart and leave cart. So after exporting this default function, we'll have several functions here. Let's handle handle remove, and also handle reduce. So first of all, let's start with the const and we'll start with the remove. How do we remove that? To remove a product from the cart? So we will dispatch. It's just like use it, but now we are dispatching it to the store. We dispatch remove. Now we have this remove here. You can see this remove cart here. So it's RMB cart, and then we'll have the cart product as our argument, cart product, and that's done. Easy? Yes, easy. So we are doing the functions of how do we dispatch some states to to the Redux store. So the next one will be handle reduce. Handle reduce. Handle reduce will have an event, and this event will be a function which has an event if we don't have anything there. If we have cart product dot quantity, if the quantity is equal to 0, so we are going to be using struct here. Strict, we return nothing. Okay, and then we will dispatch dispatch delete cat winner. So if cat is there's nothing in the cat, we don't return anything. But if there's something, we return we dispatch delete cat, we delete that product which is there. And then let's say we want to handle hard, okay. To be also an arrow function which will have a dispatch and then we'll add cat product. So it will be like that now, and that looks then we close in that. So later we will return something. We just have a return statement here. So let's return something. So we return this. Let's just show you. This will be a short code, so not very long. So let's just now write some bootstrap. So we'll have div. You can write it whatever you want. You can do pure CSS. You can do. You can also combine like I'm doing. So we will have cat product container. Cat product container. Cat product container. And in this cat product container, it will be a row, okay? And then inside there, we'll have an image, and class name will be mg fluid, and then we'll also have, it will span in columns of 3. Also, it will have a padding of 2. So let's just now. So the source will be now from the store, which is cat product dot image. Remember we clicked and we dispatched all the properties to the store. Now we are reading them. So an alt will be, as you guessed, cat product dot title. Perfect. So we have closed that. So the next one will be inside this image. We'll have a div which will be called cat product desk cat product desk